literally, I've got a bit of a different setup today. So I've set the GoPro up in the car, so I'm not really too sure how this is going to work out, sort of a trial and error. Before I get started on anything, I'd like to just apologise for the short of uploads. Obviously, if you did watch the previous video, you would understand that there wasn't going to be uploads for a good few weeks, just due to personal reasons. At the moment, we're still struggling getting the internet and stuff like that, but I will try my hardest to get videos up for you guys. Just obviously bear with us as much as you can. So as we're driving today, I've set, obviously, like I said, set up the GoPro in the car so you can kind of sort of hear cockpit view of the ITG Induction Kit. So if I sort of slow down a little bit, if I drop it down to second, we'll get a second to third shot of it. So as you can hear, you can really clearly hear the induction kit being used. It has got a really nice sound to it. It sort of sounds, it's not over the top, but it's noticeable that it's there. Especially when you're outside the car as well and you drive past, you can definitely tell that someone obviously got an upgraded induction kit. It's not enough to annoy you, but it's enough to, obviously like I said, make sure it's there. It doesn't, to me personally, some people might love it or hate it. Me personally, I think it's a great little mod. It's not overly priced. It was about £230, which yes is a lot, but for a decent induction kit, it's not actually too bad priced. I actually thought it was quite good. So now, as we join this little bit, I'm just going to bring the gears down, and I'm just going to go from second probably up to about fifth or sixth, just so you can get a hear of it. Obviously still got the original catalytic converter on here at the moment, but I will just say watch out for future videos because something is happening to the exhaust. That is all I'm saying. I know I haven't long had the Mongoose, but something is changing, but it is going to be pretty cool. So as I've explained before, this is the first time I've sort of done this sort of video, so I'm kind of a little bit new to how it's going to work out, obviously. So if it's not the best video, I do apologise, but it's, like I say, it's all trial and error. But 2018 for this car is going to be a very, very big year. It's going to transform. It's going to take a bit of time, but you're not going to miss any of it on the channel. If I do mods, it's always going to be uploaded and stuff like that. But obviously today we're concentrating on the ITG review. But just, I know I'm not really talking a huge amount, but just listen to the induction kit if you can. First car I just put a little cone air filter on. It was only a crappy little Fiesta, and then I had a Z-Tech S, obviously, as you know, and then I've got this, and every single one I've put an induction kit on, and this has got to be the best induction kit I've ever put on any of my cars. It's one that I've actually thought, you know what, that is worth the £200 that I spent on it. It really is worth it. So as you can see, the ITG fits in really, really nicely. The actual filter is hidden behind the headlight, as you probably see on the install video. Really easy to install. Check out that video on the channel if you want to know how to do it. See, it looks really, really nice in the engine bay. So it's not until I'm actually editing this video, I've kind of realised I've got to end the video. So the first thing I want to say, obviously guys, I know that in this video the exhaust is really drony. It's not until I've actually filmed with the GoPro I've realised how loud my exhaust actually is. I know that sort of overtakes the video a bit and you can't really hear me, but like I said, this is a learning curve for me. So for my next GoPro video, I'll make sure I sort out the mic on it so we won't have that problem. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that review. Like I say, that review of the ITG, if you're thinking about getting one, I would say 100% get it, just because it is such a great little mod. I hope the video sort of shows you and gets you a bit more of a feel, even though the exhaust did take over a little bit, and gets you a feel and makes up your mind of what you do want, if you want to get the ITG or not. But guys, like I say, thanks for all the support on the channel. We're nearly at 100 subs. It is absolutely awesome. Massive thank you to everyone who's supporting the channel. It's been great, and I hope to see you in my future videos. So I'll see you guys next time.